What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So for this week we are at Watchmen campground. Kind of got lucky. There was an available spot. Somebody backed out or something. This is probably one of the nicest campground we ever been to. Bathroom is clean. Overall, the area is good. Here's our setup for tonight. Minimalist. We don't really have much. Got the bike right here. This is all the kitchen gear. I'll show you guys what I got in here. Paper plates, couple spoons. You got a rice cooker. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We didn't bring much food for this trip because we're only gonna be here for tonight. We got some pupusa, we got some vegetables, we got salmon, we got chicken breasts. We do always carry the emergency food, rice, we got corned beef, some ramen, spam, and tuna. Just in case. Wife wanted pupusa, and I got this little small stove. Very handy. I normally carry this when backpacking. Needed this adapter to use a 1 pound propane. Simple setup. Look like pizza. It's not pizza. Try it. So we got this pupusa from Costco. It looked pretty good, so let's test it out. Oh, that is pretty good, actually. Put hot sauce in here, some Cholula, game over. Oh, pupusa came in a packet like this, 5 pieces. Super easy to make. You can put it in a microwave, air fryer, or what we're doing. Just put it on a pan, put a little bit of oil. Let's go see what's out there. Wow. I don't know if they're allowing dirt bike here. There's so many RVs and vans. Kind of glad we got ours. You got people walking around here, so I'm not trying to go super fast. My favorite grill to bring when camping, Camping Moon. Not sponsored, but check it out. The deer get really close here. This thing is hungry. We're gonna go ahead and make some chicken for the kids. Throw in a little bit garlic salt and this Montreal steak seasoning. Chicken coming out looking delicious. And the rice should be done. Yep. Look at the flame on this bad boy. Damn! This grilled salmon looking fire. Kids already ate. This is our meal right here. Vegetable and salmon. Sorry, the camera might not be that good, but this food is. Damn, that's pretty good. Oh, forgot to cross. good? Nice, nice. All right, guys, we're gonna eat our food real quick, set up a movie night, then go to bed, pretty much. Went ahead and make some quick breakfast. I'll have some fried potatoes, corned beef, and rice. Morning, guys. All right, we're just gonna eat our food real quick, pack up, and go walk around Zion. We're all packed up and ready to go. Damn, it feels good too. Oh, damn. Wow. Oh. So this is definitely one of the most scenic drives we've ever driven to. Zion National Park is beautiful. Look at this tunnel overpass we're about to go. I don't know where this is gonna go. Wow. We're gonna make it to the end of the tunnel in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! What a great spot! I can climb up there. So what? I'm gonna climb up there. The Human History Museum. Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool. I've never been here. This is the whole park. This is their tools to hunt. What's that? What is that one? Inspiration, transportation. Your birds.
It's caught in the crossfire.